Hey there, you beautiful people. It's Sunday, that magical day that floats somewhere between chill and chaotic, between let me relax and let me prep for the week. But here's the big question: what do you actually do on a Sunday that's fun, refreshing, and doesn't just feel like time slipping away? Well, you're in the right place, because today, I've got 25 super fun, creative, low-key and exciting things you can do on a Sunday to really make it count. Whether you're flying solo, chilling with your partner, or wrangling a bunch of kids, there's something here for everyone. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's make your next Sunday the best one yet. But real quick, before we dive in, if you love videos that help you make life more fun and intentional, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and comment below with your favorite way to spend a Sunday. Let's inspire each other. Alright, ready? Let's dive into it. 1. The lazy luxe morning. You know what Sunday mornings are made for. Slow luxury. I'm talking about waking up without an alarm, stretching like a cat, and making yourself a decadent breakfast, pancakes, omelets, fresh fruit, the works. No rush. No pressure. Pro tip: put on some jazz or acoustic indie in the background. Makes everything feel like a scene from a cozy rom-com. 2. Take a walk with no destination. Not a walk for steps. Not a walk for fitness. Just a walk, for you. Wander your neighborhood, a park, or a cute little street you haven't explored. Leave your phone in your pocket. Just notice things, colors, sounds, the breeze. It's weirdly meditative. And honestly, magical. 3. Farmers market fun. If your town has a farmers market on Sundays, Geo. There's something about local produce, handmade jams, fresh bread, and the smell of coffee in the air that just feels right. Even if you don't buy anything, it's a vibe. Plus, it's people watching heaven. 4. No phone hour challenge. 1 hour, no phone, no laptop, no screens. Just you and your brain. Sounds scary? It's actually freeing. Write. Read. Sketch. Play guitar. Or, get this, stare out the window like a dramatic main character. Your nervous system will thank you. 5. Try a new coffee shop or bakery instead of your go-to Starbucks. Google, hidden gem coffee shop near me. Go. Order something random. Sit down and stay for a while. The goal: turn coffee into an experience, not just a transaction. 6. Movie matinee, but make it special. Pick a movie you've been meaning to watch. Not just background noise, we're talking full-on cozy setup. Popcorn, blankets, lights dimmed, maybe even a projector if you're feeling fancy. Make it feel like an event, not just filler. 7. Mini home spa day. Face mask, check. Candle, check. Your softest robe or towel. Yup. Even just 30 minutes of intentional pampering can reset your whole vibe. Bonus if you pair it with soothing music or a podcast you love. 8. Bake something from scratch. Cookies, banana bread, cinnamon rolls, something that makes your house smell like heaven. There's something therapeutic about baking, the process, the smell, the reward. Don't worry about perfection. Just have fun with it. 9. Go thrifting or antiquing. Find the quirkiest little thrift shop or antique store and get lost in it. You never know what kind of hidden treasure you'll stumble across. Maybe you'll find a cool lamp, a vintage record, or a book with someone else's notes in the margin. 10. Journal with a twist. Not your usual Dear Diary. Try a fun prompt like, what's one thing you'd do if you weren't afraid? List 10 things you're grateful for from this past week. If your Sunday had a soundtrack, what songs would be on it? Journaling doesn't have to be deep, it just has to be you. 11. Visit a local museum or art gallery. Cultural Sundays, anyone. Even the tiniest cities usually have some kind of museum, gallery, or exhibit. It's inspiring, eye-opening, and gets you out of your regular bubble. Plus, you'll leave feeling at least 12% smarter. 12. Host a Sunday brunch. Call up a few friends, throw some waffles in the toaster, pop open a bottle of Prosecco and bam, instant brunch party. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just good food, good people, and good vibes. 13. Do a one-room reset. Pick one room in your house and give it a little refresh. Not deep cleaning, just light decluttering, maybe move things around, light a candle. Make it feel new. Your environment affects your energy more than you think. 14. Go somewhere you've never been. A new bookstore. A different park. A neighboring town. Somewhere new. It doesn't have to be dramatic, just unfamiliar. Sunday is the perfect day for a little micro-adventure. 15. Learn something random. YouTube a random topic you know nothing about. Black holes, jazz music history, why flamingos are pink. Just learn for the fun of it. 5 years from now, you'll randomly remember that fun fact and smile. 16. Game night, solo or social, whether it's board games with friends or a solo Switch session, games equals instant fun. Pull out that deck of cards, dust off Monopoly, or try something totally new. 17. Volunteer or give back. Spend an hour helping someone. Walk dogs at a shelter, pack food at a pantry, or just bring cookies to a neighbor. You'd be surprised how fulfilling it is to brighten someone else's day. 18. Catch the sunset. Find a hill, rooftop, or quiet spot. Bring a drink, maybe a friend or your journal, and just watch the sky change. No matter how the day went, sunsets hit reset. 19. Set a Sunday soundtrack. Make a playlist that feels like Sunday. Chill, dreamy, acoustic, maybe a little jazzy. Music totally changes your energy. Curate your vibe. 20. Make a vision board. Old school cut and paste or digital on Canva, it doesn't matter. Create a visual of what you want your life to look and feel like. It's inspiring, grounding, and just plain fun. 21. Go tech-free for dinner. No phones, no TV, no distractions. Just a slow, mindful meal, even if it's frozen pizza. Maybe even use the nice plates. You deserve it. 22. Try a new recipe. Search easy Sunday dinner recipes and try something you've never cooked before. Worst case, you order takeout. Best case, you discover a new favorite. 23. Create a Sunday tradition. Could be anything: a morning walk, a specific brunch dish, a sunset drive. Having a regular Sunday ritual gives your week rhythm and something to look forward to. 24. Read a chapter or two. Crack open that book you've been meaning to read. Just a chapter. Let your brain settle into a slower rhythm. Bonus, pair it with a cup of tea or a cozy blanket. 25. Sunday reflection plus intentions. End your Sunday by looking back and looking forward. What was great about this past week? What's one intention for the week ahead? Jot it down. Close the loop. There you have it.